Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you a shortcut trick for multiplying numbers by 11. So let me take an example which is 57 into 11. So the trick is first write the numbers leaving the space at the middle, that is 5 and 7. Then add the digits, that is 5 and 7, which is equal to 12. So write the last digit here, which is 2, then take carry here. So the final answer is 5 plus 1 is 6, 2, 7. As simple as that. So let me take one more example, which is let me take a larger number, which is a two-digit number only, which is 85. Okay, 85 into 11. So again, write the two digits, which is 8 and 5, leaving the space at the middle. Then add the two digits, which is 8 plus 5, which is 13. Write the last digit here, then add carry here. So the answer is 8 plus 1 is 9, 3, 5. As simple as that. So this trick works for a three-digit number also. So let me take an example. Let me take an easier one. It is 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 11. So let me show you this trick now. Write the first and last numbers, leaving two spaces in the middle. So which is 1 and 3, two spaces here. So the trick is first add the last two digits, which is 2 and 3, which is 5, right? 5, write it here. Then add the first two digits, is 1 and 2, which is 3. Write 3 here. That's it. 123 times 11 is 1353. So let me show you one more example for this if you don't understand this. So let me give you larger number now. Suppose 567 times 11. So again the same method. If you want to try it by yourself, pause the video and try it. So let me proceed with the solution. Write the first and last digit number, leaving two spaces at the middle, which is 5 and 7. Then add the last two digits first, which is 6 and 7. So it is 13, right? So take the last digit here and take one carry here. Now add the first two digits, which are 5 and 6, which is 11, plus the carry, which is 1. So it is 12. Write 2 here, take one carry here. So the final answer is 5 plus 1 is 6. This we have already added, which is 2, 3, 7. That's it. This is the shortcut trick for multiplying numbers by 11. So let me show you another trick in the same video, which is multiply numbers near 100. So I have taken example as 97 into 96. Let me proceed with the solution. That is the number near 97 and 96, that is round off number, is 100. So subtract 97 and 96 by 100, which is 100 minus 97, which is 3. In the same way, subtract 96 from 100, which is 4, right? So now take these two sum, which is 3 and 4 sum. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then subtract this added number, which is 7, from 100, which is 93, which is the left part of our answer. The right part of our answer is 3 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4, which is equal to 12, right? So the answer for 93 times 96 is 9312. You didn't understood by this example? Let me take another example, which is again 93 times, let me take 98. Both are near 100 only. So 93 times 98 is, first subtract these numbers from 100. 100 minus 93, which is 7. Similarly, 100 minus 98 is 2. Then add these two, which is equal to 9. Then subtract this added number from 100. Okay, as simple as that. An easy trick. Since 100 minus 9 is 91. Sorry, 91. Write this 91, which is the left part of our answer, and the right part of our answer, as you know, 7 into 2. 7 into 2, which is 14. Write this here. So 93 times 98 is 9114. That's it. A simple trick. So if you like this trick, share this with your friends and follow and like and comment Brain Maths for more such shortcuts.